Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super happy to share with you guys this beautiful headband wig from HergivenHair. It is a multi-textured wig, and today I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and one of you guys are going to be able to win this headband wig. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I style this wig and also the details on how you can enter this giveaway to get a free one delivered to your home. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for the video. This gorgeous Kinky and Coily multi-textured unit from HergivenHair includes textures from 4B to 4C and textures 3C to 4A. The hair length is 18 inches and I have a medium cap size and the natural hair color. For all the details, please go into my description box and you will see the link there. But this wig is so gorgeous. It's very unique and very natural and realistic looking, because I know in my own hair I have different textures as well, and so this was very gorgeous and beautiful. Headband wigs are a great full protective style where you can choose to have some leave out or choose to hide them with the headband, and they are very beginner friendly. So I have been loving them so much. They are very convenient, very cute, and very natural looking. So to style my hair, I decided to use a curl custard from Briogeo, and this is a very light moisturizing conditioner that has a little bit of hold. And why I chose to do that is because I really wanted to share the hair texture and I want it to be fluffy and soft. If you want more defined curls, you can definitely go ahead and use some gel. Just be mindful that it may flake a little bit, and so you can definitely use a more lighter gel. But this is such a beautiful texture because I absolutely love the kinky hair texture. This is probably one of my first times wearing a wig with the 4B, 4C, and I absolutely am in love with the texture. So you can definitely air dry your hair, but because this hair was taking a very long time to air dry, I went ahead and used a diffuser. So definitely keep in mind, I feel like the ends of the hair kind of shrunk up a little bit because of the diffuser. So you can definitely go ahead and air dry it or sit underneath a hooded hair dryer, and then maybe you can go ahead and prevent the ends. But I definitely didn't mind it. I just went ahead and kind of played around with it, and it looks so beautiful and natural and gorgeous. There were so many cute headbands to style the wig from, and so I went ahead and just chose a really nice simple black one because I think it will go really well with any outfit. And I even love the natural headband that it comes with. There's a lot of times where I don't even wear a headband because it just looks really nice on its own, and so that's why I really love these headband wigs as well, because you can definitely choose to style it in different ways, and also different headbands give it such a different look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just style my hair and just share with you guys a few hairstyles. And if you guys wanna see more hairstyles in the future, go ahead and definitely follow me on Instagram. Okay, so let's get into how to enter this giveaway contest. It's gonna be super easy. All you have to do is leave a comment below telling me why you love being natural and what inspired you to go natural. That's all you have to do, and then also let me know what city and country you're from, and then I will let you guys know within a few days after it's been posted who the winner is. And so that's all you have to do. And so I'm just so happy to be able to host a giveaway, because I know that HergivenHair can be definitely a bit pricey because they have really high quality hair. And so I'm just super grateful to be able to host a giveaway and be able to give one of you guys a beautiful headband wig from HergivenHair. So let me know in the comments below, what was your guys' favorite hairstyle? Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful hair texture and this beautiful headband wig from HergivenHair. And good luck to everyone that enters the contest. And I wish you guys all the best. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself and your health and your well-being. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for your support and your love, and have a great day. Bye.